In a significant development for Southeast Asia's naval defense, Turkey's premier defense manufacturer Roketsan has inked a groundbreaking agreement with Indonesia's PT Republik Defense Indonesia, RDI, to co-produce and deliver the ATMACA anti-ship cruise missile. This deal, finalized at the Indo-Defense 2025 event in Jakarta, marks a critical step in Indonesia's naval modernization and reflects growing regional efforts to counter Chinese maritime assertiveness. By combining NATO-compatible technology with domestic production, Indonesia aims to enhance its sea denial capabilities while bolstering its defense industry's autonomy. The collaboration between Roketsan and PT RDI transcends a simple arms procurement deal. It lays the groundwork for a strategic defense partnership in the Indo-Pacific region, strengthening ties between Turkey and Indonesia. The ATMACA missile will be integrated alongside Jakarta's ongoing Turkish defense projects, such as the KAN fighter jet program, illustrating Indonesia's ambition to move beyond mere imports toward co-developing sophisticated weapon systems. ATMACA itself is a state-of-the-art anti-ship cruise missile engineered by Roketsan to engage maritime targets with high precision over distances greater than 250 kilometers. Equipped with advanced navigation tools, including GPS, inertial systems, barometric and radar altimeters, and an active radar seeker, the missile excels in various weather conditions and can accurately hit both stationary and moving naval threats. Its 220 kg warhead combines fragmentation and penetration effects, enhancing lethality. A flexible data link allows for mid-flight updates and mission changes, making it adaptable in fluid combat scenarios. The missile's modular design supports deployment on multiple naval platforms, including patrol boats, corvettes, and prospective submarine launchers. First introduced in the 2010s, ATMACA replaced older Western-made systems like the Harpoon within the Turkish Navy, highlighting Turkey's commitment to defense self-reliance and indigenous innovation. Its operational success, proven through live-fire tests from vessels like the Ada-class corvette, confirms its maturity and reliability. This partnership with Indonesia signals Roketsan's growing footprint in the global anti-ship missile market, offering competitive alternatives to existing systems such as the American Harpoon and Chinese C-802, especially when factoring in cost benefits and localized production. Strategically, this joint missile program recalibrates Southeast Asia's maritime security landscape. Indonesia has faced frequent intrusions in its exclusive economic zone near the Natuna Islands by Chinese vessels, spurring a focus on anti-access/area denial capabilities. The ATMACA collaboration strengthens Indonesia's deterrence posture and cultivates domestic defense capacity via technology transfer and co-assembly efforts. This alignment also deepens military-industrial relations between Jakarta and Ankara, introducing NATO standard weaponry into a region traditionally reliant on Western or Chinese suppliers. With this capability, Indonesia positions itself not only as a user but potentially as a future supplier of missile systems within ASEAN, advancing its regional leadership aspirations. Though financial details remain undisclosed, reports suggest the March 2024 contract included 45 missiles, with the June 2025 joint venture agreement adding co-production clauses to boost output, reduce costs, and establish a scalable export model. This deal is Indonesia's second major Turkish defense partnership, following the KAN Jet initiative. Guided by Defense Minister Prabowo's vision, Indonesia is leveraging its industrial scale and demographics to become a regional defense manufacturing powerhouse. This emerging hub could attract interest from NATO allies seeking cost-effective and reliable missile solutions beyond conventional suppliers. Ultimately, the Roketsan PT RDI alliance represents more than a weapons deal, it is a long-term strategic axis reinforcing Indo-Pacific security through technological collaboration and industrial self-sufficiency. By incorporating ATMACA into its defense portfolio, Indonesia is crafting a bridge between NATO-grade technology and the unique demands of the Asian defense market. This precedent paves the way for future joint ventures in naval and land systems, solidifying Indonesia's role as a pivotal player in regional deterrence and global defense supply chains.